Hey, what's up guys? Jack and Maddie with the Toasty Bros, and today we are actually doing a full Newegg gaming setup.
And this video is sponsored by Asus. Asus was nice enough to sponsor this video because they're actually running a promo that you all be very interested in. There's a discount going on 10th and 11th gen Intel CPUs with Z590 motherboards over on Newegg, and if you use the link down below, you can save some money when building a budget gaming PC because, you know, here at the Toasty Bros, we love 10th and 11th gen Intel CPUs. They're still great value for the money, and this summer you can save some money with your new build, so definitely check that down below. And we'll be talking about this PC here, but we decided to make a setup using only Newegg to see what kind of stuff does Newegg have. Can you make a good setup, and is the price performance really there? Well, we're gonna find out, but let's go ahead and talk about this computer real quick.
So this computer right here we actually built on stream this morning over at twitch.tv/toastybros, but this was courtesy of Asus, and it is really focused on the tough lineup, which we've actually done something similar before, and we really love the tough lineup because, well, this stuff's just cheap and it looks amazing, but it's still gaming focused. So under this VTrue ARGB liquid cooler, we have an Intel i5-11600K, which is a 6-core 12-thread. It's overclockable, and of course, when you want to do some overclocking, you need a good Z590. So we have an Asus TUF Z590, and it is a Wi-Fi Bluetooth edition version. We also have 16 gigs of Corsair Vengeance RGB RAM, and that is clocked at 3200 megahertz. We have an Asus TUF RTX 3060 Ti, and we also have a crucial P2 NVMe SSD that is 1 terabyte, so plenty of storage for, well, basically Warzone, and that's about it. And then of course we have this all inside of the Asus TUF GT301, which is also an amazing case, and we loaded it with their ARGB fans, which I've really come to know and love. And also, you can't see it, but we do have a 750 watt Asus ROG Strix power supply. Kind of random, but there's some ROG Strix in the mix, but hey, nothing wrong with that. It's a very, very high-end power supply, and it looks amazing.
Now, the best part of this video, yes, Asus was nice enough to sponsor this. We went ahead and purchased a bunch of stuff from Newegg, but ironically enough, the best deal was an Asus TUF monitor. And this thing right here, I'm gonna read the model number off so I don't forget it, is the Asus TUF VG24VQ. It was $179, 165 hertz, 1080p, very high quality curved display, and yeah, it looks really good. It's great for gaming, and there's always a ton of rebates going on these monitors as well, and they could go well below that $179 price point. But when you're using something like a 3060 Ti, you definitely want to be going high refresh rate so you can have the best performance in esports games and pretty much any game you throw at it. Now, of course, we like to mess around with some different peripherals. We're not sticking with the main brands. We're going to try something a little bit different. And first up with this keyboard, we have this RGB TKL Kitcom red switch keyboard, which was 38 bucks. It's red switches. Yeah, it's 10 keyless, so you know you got that going for you. And you got arrow keys and RGB, and look at that. Jackson's gonna show you that red switch right now, and it looks pretty solid. I mean, it uses USB-C, has a nice braided cable, has a little metal back plate. Yeah, it's pretty well built, and I mean, under $40, I think Newegg has something really good going here from a brand that I've absolutely never heard of. So we'll definitely get some extensive testing with that once we dive into gaming. Now, in terms of that mouse, we have the TroPro RGB gaming mouse, which was $28.99. It's going for that same aesthetic that a lot of gaming mice are going for. Super lightweight. It's kind of lightweight, but really there are mice that are definitely much more lightweight that look like this. Probably because they packed full a bunch of RGB LEDs and stuff that adds some extra weight to it, kind of defeats the purpose. But regardless, it's a pretty quality mouse so far. Has the normal like 2 buttons right here that you can program, DPI switch, scroll wheel, and yeah, it looks clean. Got the nice RGB. And speaking of RGB, this RGB mouse pad, which is I think color cycling right now. Let's see, what are we on right now? Here's red, there's blue, green, purple, boom, boom.
It's hard to find a good RGB mouse pad because they always lose their color in random
Yeah,
spots.
they don't do a great job, but it's not that much more expensive than a normal mouse pad nowadays. So if you really just want a little bit of extra lighting with your setup, you can do that. The only downside is you have this cord that runs over there. So definitely work on your cable management better than we have. And of course for the headset, I mean, I can't forget about the headset. This right here is the Corsair HS35, which is a very awesome budget headset. There is a microphone in the box, I believe, but we didn't attach it because you see right here, boom, do that. But always, if you want to have better audio, you can get like a USB microphone or something just to improve your audio game. But yeah, this is a really comfy headset. Corsair makes some awesome ones, and this one is very budget friendly. This thing comes in around $40, and with Corsair build quality, you really can't complain too much about it. So what we're gonna go ahead and do is take this setup and play some games on it, give our impressions of everything that's going on here, and talk more about 10th and 11th gen Intel processors and that awesome promo Asus is running, because it's a really good deal you all should take advantage of.
Alright guys, we are playing Apex Legends, and we're pretty much max the frick out on this thing 1080p. And so far, the biggest learning curve I'm having is the mouse has a little bit of sensor issues when you lift it off of the mouse mat. Which I guess maybe they're not issues, I don't know. That's just my preference. Is I like when the mouse, like as soon as you lift it up, you know, it loses its ability to sense what's going on. This one, it kind of keeps going. And so it actually recognizes, I'm gonna freaking die here.
It's gonna die already. But we do have the normal settings, so we don't have the FPS cap turned off for Apex, so I'd imagine we'd be getting even higher FPS numbers, but hey, you know what? 144 running very smooth.
Took down that Bluff Hunter.
Oh, here we go. This is a, ooh. Oh!
Like I kind of just stopped.
Hauser, it's been a while. Add the squirrels.
Add the squirrels.
It's been a
the
little
squirrels.
bit. It's been a little
No,
bit.
I'm gonna hit a better shot. And then
right.
you can add the squirrels.
Basically, guys, you're gonna get very tired of seeing squirrels because Hauser's gonna have to put a lot of them.
A lot of squirrels.
Like that right there.
That's a squirrel.
That's a squirrel.
Come on, jump again, homie.
That's McAllister dressed like a squirrel.
Keyboard's pretty good. I mean, I feel like it's hard to mess up a red switch keyboard though.
No.
But no, it feels good. I like it. Ooh, you like that tracking?
Load it down. Ooh, this feels like a squirrel moment. Oh, that is not a squirrel moment. Squirrel moment.
Here we go. Here we go.
Redemption. This is the redemption arc. Oh. Oh, it was not.
Oh, that's a squirrel.
That's a squirrel right there, McAllister. Oh no! You have been hunted!
You've been hunted, blood.
But yeah, the only complaint you seem to have so far is the mouse. I'll see how it works for me, but the setup's working, the monitor's nice, good deal. The PC, of course, with the 11600K clock speed going to 4.6 gigahertz. Great for esports titles and doing the emote, you know.
You should salt bait this. These
like
guys
this.
are gonna be like, wow.
McAllister drops some salt.
Toasty Matt's so good.
Drop some salt in the monitor.
Toasty Matt's so
All right,
good.
next game. All right, gamers, the next game we have right here is Warzone, and we're running on pretty much like medium-high settings, 1080p, and yeah, well, I'm gonna give all these peripherals a shot and see what I think about them. So yeah, let's just go right into it. But look at that, we're getting 180 FPS, and I keep hitting the wrong button. Oh!
He's ignorant.
Can't hear his footsteps, so I don't know where he is, but we're just gonna.
He seems like the type to lay prone in a corner.
He might. I might just get like shot randomly. But yeah, I see the problem with this mouse. It definitely has like the lift off. It's like, there it goes. Woo, I'm moving around. So it's not ideal. There are definitely other mice at this price point that you could pick up from Newegg that would work out better for you. But that's all in fun of this video where we try different things and determine whether or not you should actually use your money on them. And right now it doesn't look like a great purchase for this one, but you know what? This is gonna be a great kill right here. Yep, that was a bad idea.
Bad shields.
Bad shields, I had a shot. It was a bad idea. Why am I doing this? Oh no, he shoot me down, he shoot me down. Ah! Oh God, I couldn't do it. Did I survive enough for a respawn? I didn't, but hey, we saw an incredibly sweaty player in Warzone. Really beat me there, but performance is awesome, and I really like the monitor too, very responsive for a game like this, and you'll do way better than me. Look at that, that's a really bad score. So yeah, what we're gonna do last is we're gonna play some Cyberpunk. I'm gonna let Jackson run the streets and see what he can make happen.
This is Cyberpunk. I want a vehicle because I want to go help out the citizens of this wretched town. The citizens have been tortured for too long.
I fucking hate this city.
All right, we're gonna need this vehicle.
Sorry, man. Sorry for being so aggressive about it.
All right, so we're just gonna go see if we can find any crime. Just see if the city needs any help or anything.
He just created crime, by the way.
Okay, we're gonna need to get out of here real quick though, because it's getting a little bit too hectic for me. Oh.
You're taking lots of gunfire.
We're taking lots of gunfire. The hood came off of the vehicle.
You know, oh, Drift King.
I thought I could hit that. Oh crap, where's the road at?
Oh no.
Oh gee, oh dear. Dude, they're slowing me down. Can you guys not see I have crime to fight?
Crime to create.
Oh, I don't know why I did that. Oh God, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Oh gosh, what did I do to deserve this? I'm the one that Gotham needed. Come here. Come here. Come on. Let me punch. What is that, a nade?
Did you throw a grenade? Oh man. Oh no.
One more time.
3-star challenge?
One more time. Why do I have so many? Do they ever run out?
I don't know.
Buddy, gambling's bad for you. Bad. Gambling, bad.
The cops not found you yet.
Bad. Gambling, get back. I don't even know if you're gambling, but get back here. Is someone trying to interfere with my gambling? Is he dodging my shots?
Get the super police going on
Is
here.
that what that is?
I don't know.
I've gotten street cred.
Taking out gangs.
Bro, back up. You do not want the smoke. You don't have a gun. You have melee items and you're chasing me. Oh, dude, no way.
Oh!
I'm coming, boys!
That's Cyberpunk, ladies and gentlemen, and that's this setup. It performs great. You can get great frame rates with it in Cyberpunk and do crazy stuff like that. Let's just wrap this video up real quick.
Woo! Alright guys, so we just got done benchmarking this full gaming setup, and like we said, everything's really good besides the mouse could use some improving. We don't like that the sensor still actually picks up the surface when you lift it up. Some mice do that, so I mean, if you like that, then this could be a good feature for you, but if you don't like that, we will leave some alternate suggestions for mice down below. But overall, the monitor was amazing. The computer performed flawlessly. We were playing Cyberpunk on ultra settings and getting like 80 FPS, so what more could you really ask for?
So yeah, don't forget there's a discount running right now if you use the link down below on 10th and 11th gen Intel CPUs with those Asus motherboards, so be sure to use those links down below, and big thanks again to them for sponsoring this setup. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. If there's any other setups you want to see, let us know, and as always, use the affiliate links down below. They do help us out if you want to purchase anything from today's video.
So as always, we hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, check out our other two YouTube channels and also our twitch.tv/toastybros, and do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
And we'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.
And besides those other two YouTube channels and that twitch.tv/toastybros, we also have a Toasty Bros Instagram, Toasty Bros Facebook, Toasty Bros Twitter. We even have a Toasty Deals page on Twitter where we post all kinds of insane deals that are sometimes exclusive, and we even got TikTok.
And one thing I want to give some extra love to that we haven't talked about in a while is we have a Discord server, discord.gg/toastybros. We are partnered, and it's a cool server to hang out and talk about tech stuff, so join the server today, and all the other social media down below. See you guys later. Goodbye.
Peace out.
All right, here we go. You know what to do.
Asus Tough is our go-to brand. We like them, and you know we can.
Yeah. Asus. Yeah.